Hey, Gareth here, and it's New Year's Day, January 1st, 2024, and I'm at home somewhere near Riverside, Southern California, and I just wanted to show you this Telesin ultra-long selfie stick. I'm going to turn this, maybe you can read the name. See it there? So it goes out about 9 feet. I'm going to walk across the street here. 9 feet. I've got it about 18 inches right now, so it's collapsed. I guess it's less than 18, but 15 inches maybe. And I'm using a GoPro Max 360 camera. And I'm climbing up the hill here. As soon as I get up here, I'm going to start extending this. So it's got several sections, like maybe 9 different sections. So now I've extended out the first 2 sections. See now? This is quite overgrown up here now. I used to keep this trim, but this grass stuff got out of hand. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to extend out the next section, or next 3 sections. It's probably going to be hard to hear me. And it is a little top heavy now with the camera up this far. I might want to hold it with 2 hands, I don't know. I'm going to get over here. Oh, it's all overgrown. Haven't been up here in a while. Not this far anyway. Got some major weeds. Now I'm going to extend the last section. So there it is. So the camera is 9 feet above my head. Now I'm going to try something here. So I've got it out horizontal now, and I'm turning around. So you can see it. There it is. Asti gave it to me for Christmas, and I think this is going to come in handy when I travel. So check us out on Port Monkeys, where I'll be using this most often. Yeah. Let me just go right here a little bit and tilt it over. I don't suppose they're going to let me use this on the rides at Disneyland, are they? Don't know why I'd want to. Anyway, from Southern California, Telesin ultra long selfie stick. They make a longer one too, I understand, but this is the 9-foot version, so 3 meters, 300 centimeters, 3,000 millimeters, if my math is correct. Bye. By the way, before I go, where the pieces fit together is a pinching hazard. That's the only drawback with this thing, is I've hurt myself several times because I don't remember. Anyway, and it says about turning it and collapsing it, but well, maybe that's all they mean. Just wiggle it back and forth. And there it is. That's all collapsed down. Bye.